fortnight past, our stores were raided by a band of ruffians. Our king is weak and needs sustenance.
Sorry, I don't speak Dungeon Master.
Some scabs stole all our food.
Silence, anachronizer!
Whatever.
We shall journey into the forest together. There, we will gather our victuals.
Sure thing, bub. Lead the way.
This way!
Here we come, Vittles. What are Vittles?
Ah, a quest. I shall serenade you along the way.
No songs till we reach the forest. Now we ride! King Ignatius has not eaten since our stores of ragweed expired.
You guys have been eating weed? That explains a lot. Listen, edibles can mess you up. You gotta be careful.
I have faith he will revive after supping on a traditional meal. With me, countrymen, I know a secret route. More dangerous, but much quicker.
Holy shit, look at the size of that.
For His Majesty Ignatius! The gods have smiled upon us this day!
Hardcore!
My dear king, ride thee not Karen's ferry.
Looks like trouble ahead. A horde of goblins are attacking those brigands. What should we do?
Nice! I mean, yay, lovely! Right while the hour is night! Let's do this. Hardcore! Hard now! That was a hell of a fight. You guys are hardcore! Exactly.
We must continue to the forest of Fargarthia. Our king sickens by the minute. The hour of hunting is nigh. The forest lies close. Bard, climb atop the castle battlements and prepare thine vocals. We shall patrol the forest before our hunt. Behold! The legendary Fargarth Forest.
What's with all the dead bodies?
Our fallen brethren, slain whilst harvesting tree bark for our king.
You're gonna feed your king tree bark? Oh, now I get it. You hate your king and you're trying to slowly poison him with bark soup.
How dare you! Tree bark is a staple of many a medieval diet.
You do know that all those medieval people died horrible deaths, right? I keep forgetting. I'm dealing with crazy people.
Yes, lovely tune. Quite enough, Bard. Thank you. Anachronizer, you are tasked with guard duty while we perform the dangerous and honorable harvest. Do not let the goblins slay us, or our spirits will haunt you for eternity.
I blacksmithed up some catapults. They should help in battle. Wait for it. Wait for it. Fire when ready.
Castle! Fire!
Just look toward any catapult and say the word. They'll be dead in no time.
To the first copse of trees! Bard, commence the Song of Hunts! A small party of goblins coming from the power plant!
At the power plant! Fire!
A small party of goblins coming from the castle!
At the castle! Fire!
Orcish archers near the Funny Burger!
My life force
At
drains!
the boathouse! Fire!
Help! I'm losing HP!
Orcish archers spotted in the
I'm losing
boathouse!
HP! I'm losing HP!
Hardcore.
On the troll at the power plant!
Tree harvested! My corpse teeth slay the rest of the haggards! One ho! On me! King's Pride! We have defeated the Skeins mates, but we must continue our harvest!
Chandler, sire, mayhap I have a word?
Silence, Anachronizer! Where be our bard?
He's dead.
Fie! We cannot harvest without song!
Can I be the new bard? I'm sick of being a smither. I want to be something more fun.
Indeed! You may play as the new bard!
Kick ass!
Commence the harvest and sing loud! Bard, sing for the gods!
Orcish archers coming from the power
We
plant!
must harvest with speed, disband, and spill the blood of these miscreants!
Blade bearers under the castle!
Berserkers approach from the Borneberger!
Blade bearers near the
Holy sh... Forsooth, countrymen! That was amazing!
Allow me to thank thee for thy skills on the battlefield. Thou dost possess the strength of Samson and the wisdom of Solomon.
And the power of love. Now go feed Ignatius that bark jerky and let me know when he's conscious. I have work for him.
Let us return to our king with haste!
Hey, it's Wendy. So you know that bark suit you almost died for? It's not, hitting the spot.
What a surprise. Okay, send a crew to meet me at the farmer's market. We'll haul back some real food.
Ho! Fargathian scouts report more crimson eyes in the southern harbors. We beg of thee, please, keep us safe from the warlock menace.
Hey, I've been keeping my own benevolent eye on the situation over there. Those crimson eyes, they're Physco control modules. I can't hack them. They're not on any of the city's networks.
You can't hack something. Wow, this is a first.
I'm uploading a frequency to your phone. You should be able to at least parse their transmissions.
Station on hold. No trains detected. Remaining on hold. Waiting for Fiscal Protocol X-26. Protocol not detected. Station on hold. No trains detected. Remaining on hold. Waiting for Fiscal Protocol X-26. Protocol not detected. Station on hold. No trains detected. Remaining on hold. Waiting for Fiscal Protocol X-26. Protocol not detected. Station on hold. Parked. Still parked. Waiting for Fiscal Protocol X-26. Protocol not detected. Parked truck. Parked. Still parked. Waiting for Fiscal Protocol X-26. Largest crane on dock. Prepare to lift largest crate on dock. Waiting for Fiscal Protocol X-26. Protocol not detected. Waiting for Fiscal Protocol X-26. Protocol not detected. Cargo container waiting for pickup. Waiting for pickup. Holding to wait for pickup. Waiting for Fiscal Protocol X-26. Protocol not detected. Cargo container waiting for pickup. Waiting for pickup. Holding to wait for pickup. Water detected. Both protocol turning off. Waiting for Fiscal Protocol X-26.
This Protocol X-26 thing they're talking about. Nah, probably nothing.
Praise the sun. No more crimson eyes of But be wary. Evil still lurks in the northern realms. Cometh thee back to the kingdom when thou hast an appetite for more of God's work.
That top must have a wonderful personality. What do you call that look? Hoochie chic?
Ah, our knight is ready to smite new evil in the realm of Fargathia. I fear the evil hath spread to the north. Make haste.
Hey, Sam, so these Fizco controllers aren't really doing much evil. They're not doing much of anything, really. What do you think they're for?
I wish I knew. Best just to destroy them. Although, if you find out anything by listening to their transmissions, let me know.
Loading. Linking. Waiting for Fisco Protocol X26. Protocol Activate small crate sensor. Small crane searching for consensual small crate. No small crate detected. Waiting for Fisco Protocol X26. Protocol not detected. Port entrance buoy. Report port entrance buoy to Fisco. Communication failed. Dock functioning properly. Wait for Fisco Physical Protocol X-26. Protocol not detected. Dock barnacle check. Barnacles detected. Dock functioning properly. Waiting for Physical Protocol X-26. Protocol not detected. Dock barnacle check. Barnacles detected. Dock functioning properly. Waiting for Physical Protocol X-26. Dock barnacle check. Barnacles detected. Dock functioning. Incapacitated. Waiting for Fiscal Protocol X-26. Protocol not detected. Boat systems check. Horn. Ready. Engines. Idle. Strong man. Waiting for Physical Protocol X-26. Protocol not detected. Lights blinking.
Space. Space belongs to the red wire.
Protocol not detected. Banana stand coolers active. Banana stand structure intact. Banana stand sales substandard. Banana stand money secure. Protocol X-26. Protocol not detected. Banana stand coolers active. Banana stand structure intact. Banana stand sales substandard. Banana stand money secure.
There's always money in the banana stand.
Huzzah! Victory!
Hey, I don't want to be a buzzkill, but why did Fizco set up all this automation if it isn't doing anything? Seems like they're all waiting around for some Protocol X-26 thing.
Protocol X-26, huh? I'll cast a net and look around the citywide network, see what I can find.
Matters not to us, good knights, as long as the beam-maddening crimson eyes have gone dark. Thou hast bravery for 1,000 men.
You found contained a shipping manifest. This is our key to some hard evidence. The shipment was scattered around the harbor. Each crate should be marked as a biohazard. Take the contents of those crates to the next dead drop.
Okay, Mr. Mysterious. Where's my spy music? My own personal deep throat said I gotta look for more Fizco secrets in the harbor. Scuba gear? What the hell is so important about scuba gear? Expedition and adventure gear. What, was this some top secret Fizco trust building retreat or something? More adventure gear? Failing to see the biohazard here. This mystery man better know what he's talking about. This is turning into a pointless spy mission. That's all of them. Time to hit the dead drop. Fizco reinforcements!
Don't worry. That wasn't a pointless quest. The adventure gear might have DNA on it that can be linked back to Fizco research scientists. We're very close to cracking the case. I'll contact you again with further instructions.
Farmer's market is bound to have at least a few fruits and vegetables. Potatoes, at least. They had those in the 12th century, right? Where'd all the food go? You stupid fat pigeons ate all the food? Why? You can get by on cigarette butts and litter.
Where is thy food you spoke of?
Fat pigeons.
Fat pigeons?
They had pigeons in the 12th century, right?
Welcome to the Pigeon Dome. Many pigeons enter. Some might leave. Use the grind cookers and pyro geysers to roast pigeons. Got a flaming compensator? That'll work too. Whip it out. Ready, set, roast. Lure entire flocks into the flames for a massive pigeon combo.
A new flight of pigeons! Pigeons, come feast! Throwing feed your way!
Ultra Pigeon Combo! Mega Ultra Pigeon Combo! One minute remaining. Holy Mega Ultra Pigeon Combo! 30 seconds remaining.
More feed! Just 10 seconds left, Hunter! Make them count!
We must try again, Hunter. From the beginning.
Son of
Welcome to the Pigeon Dome. Many pigeons enter. Some might leave. Use the grind cookers and pyro geysers to roast pigeons. Got a flaming compensator? That'll work too. Whip it out. Ready, set, roast. Lure entire flocks into the flames for a massive pigeon combo! Pigeon combo!
Pigeons, come feast!
Ultra Pigeon Combo! One minute remaining.
Throwing feed!
Mega Ultra Pigeon Combo! Holy Mega Ultra Pigeon Combo! 30 seconds remaining. Super Macro Holy Mega Ultra Pigeon Combo!
Just 10 seconds left, Hunter! Make them count! Throwing feed your way! 9 pigeons!
We must try again, Hunter. From the beginning.
Son of a...
Welcome to Pigeon Dome. Many pigeons enter. Some might leave. Use the grind cookers and pyro geysers to roast pigeons. Got a flaming compensator? That'll work too. Whip it out. Ready, set, roast. Lure entire flocks into the flames for a massive pigeon combo! Ultra pigeon combo!
The winged rats approach!
Mega ultra pigeon combo!
Throwing feed your way!
Holy mega ultra pigeon combo! 1 minute remaining. Super macro holy mega ultra pigeon combo!
More pigeon feed for you, Hunter! More feed!
Boost complete!
Success! Thy pigeon slaying skills are legendary.
Enough of this foolishness.
Back to Fargathia!
With speed!
Brigands ahead! Cannot pass!
Looky what we have here! Fresh meat! You dare threaten our king's meat?
Philadelphia shows rascal. We are safe.
Okay, let's get moving again.
Onward, fast!
Curry no favor with Fargathia.
That's all.
Our path is clear! Onward!
I may level up by the time this is over.
'Tis a fine day to farm for XP, aye?
I may level up by the time this is over. The beasts attack!
Thank you, Sir Obvious.
Our journey is in danger! We must fight to save the king's feast! Go forth and meet them with the might of your magic sword. Like King's sword! A brave boss! We must protect the king's feast! With haste to Fargathia!
Ride like the wind! Garthia lies ahead!
Fuck! We are ambushed! Evil blocks our path. Here they come! Nobody let him through! I'm hungry, damn it! These maids are not invited to our feast!
We must protect the basic Guam at all costs!
Hey, asshole! On fire roasting pigeons! Lay off!
We have smoked thine enemy!
Right. I don't know what smote means, but your king awaits his victuals.
Right you are, Hunter! To the king!
Nothing gets me hotter than overcharge. I'll love you if you drink overcharge.
King Ignatius, eat, so you may be reborn.
If he barfs up that gutter chicken, I'm out of here.
Our king sleeps peacefully. You have done well, my lord. We are forever indebted. Perhaps you would like to share in the king's feast?
Yeah, no, thanks. I think I'd rather eat bark.
Whatever look you're going for, you missed. That hat is perfect. It pulls attention away from your face.
Our king suffers from Satan's fire.
You mean he has a fever?
We know not how to release his demons. Perhaps you know a maester of the Citadel.
Yeah, sorry, I don't know a master from City Hall, but I do know where to get some medicine. Sit tight. Oh, when I get back with your drugs, we'll discuss my offense at your assumption that I would know where to find drugs. I think I remember seeing some pharmaceuticals down by the docks. Pharmaceutical shipments. Perfect. There's gotta be some cold medicine or something for Ignatius around here.
Fisco drone audio priority check engaged. Calculating. If survivors equals true, evidence equals true. If evidence equals true, Fisco financial safety equals false. Extrapolating. If Fisco robot equals unemployed, future happiness divides by 0. Result. Continue killing survivors.
Unauthorized access attempted. All Fisco trucks now in lockdown. Fisco security force en route.
What? Oh, man.
Fisco security defeated. Trucks now open. You earned it. Nice shooting, by the way.
Hey, thanks, Mr. Truck. What do we have in here? Plan A, the night before the morning after pill. Nope, that's not gonna help a fever. Ritalin fit. Ritalin for babies. It was just a matter of time. Isotussin! Finally, something that'll cure a fever.
Hey, it's Wendy. So, I hear you're out gathering medicine for Ignatius?
Yeah, actually, I just found some. I'm on my way back now.
You need to make a stop on the way. I'll meet you at the park.
Oh, is that code for get more drugs? Leech pond. Gross.
It gets grosser. Take off all your clothes.
Whoa, whoa. I'll try anything once, but I like to know what I'm getting into first.
Ignatius can only be treated using 12th century medicine, which means bloodletting.
I think I see where this is going.
You need to strip to your undies and walk through the pond to collect leeches.
Fuck that! Alright, so it's just your average picnic in the park then?